G'day everyone, I'm Wayne and welcome to my channel. Well, today we're going to have a look at the awning. I found myself down at Yatala at Supa Peg. Supa Peg supply canvas awnings, and that's what I want. So let's have a look at the awning. So the awning I decided to buy was a 2.5 metre by 2.5 metre stand easy awning. As you can see, the awning is quite a large long box and it is a very easy fit, but I decided to let the young lads from Supa Peg fit it for me, as they're the professionals and they'd have it done in probably half the time that it'd take me if I took it home. That's Isaac. It was Isaac and Phil who fitted it for me, and Isaac showed me a couple of different awnings. I went with the awning that I went with because of the Velcro that it's got. It's got 2-inch Velcro all the way around it, which means I can custom make my own sides and get the sides up so that it turns into a bit of a tent, I guess, so to speak. A little bit cheaper than you would if it had zippers. So for installation, after getting out of the box, first thing we do is we've got to put some bolts on that slide, and it's those bolts that will eventually go into the brackets on the side of the car. Next step's to sort out the brackets that go onto the side of the car. In my case, we had to make up brackets, a little bit different because it's a custom made roof rack. So we custom made the brackets to suit the roof racks, as you'll see as we go along. Just marking the drill holes here for the custom made brackets. One of the really awesome factors in this particular type of awning is that it has a center pole that's got a bend in it that pushes up, so that when it rains you don't finish with a body of water at the top of your awning. So what we're doing here is fitting the little lug that center pole goes into, the locating lug. It's a full canvas awning and aluminium temp poles. The temp poles are twist poles, which are really easy to use. Just watching Isaac use the air pop rivet gun here makes me want to run out and buy an air pop rivet gun. Got a compressor at home. Pop rivet gun I've got is about 400 years old, and the old manual style. It takes me 4 hours to put in one pop rivet. He makes it look so easy. So that's the adjustable center pole, and that's got a slight arc in it so that it pushes up in the middle of the awning. Well, that's the brackets all pre-drilled. We've just got to put them on the car, insert some bolts, and then do a little bit of panel beating just to give them a bit of a curve so they sit well. So the reason we're about to panel beat these brackets, you can see the gap between the bolt and the actual roof rack there. So we're going to bend that bracket in so that that sits flush. You put in a really solid steel bracket to do the panel beating so it doesn't damage the awning. Now with the brackets all bolted in and bent into place, all secured, we're ready to put the awning on. These bolts run on slides, so they can be slid to meet where the actual brackets are, which is pretty handy because once they're in place you can slide this awning to and fro until you get it into a position that you like, and then tighten the bolts up. Well, with the Supa Peg awning all on and fitted, it's time to take it outside and set her up, pack it up, see how it goes. The dimensions on this awning 2.5 meters across by 2.5 meters wide, which is a really good size awning. The twist poles are quite easy to put down. It is a two-person job to put this up comfortably. Providing you got light winds, you could do it on your own. If you're doing it on your own, it does come with guy rope and pegs just to peg one side down and keep it up while you do the other side. Make sure I'm clicking that in. Well, the awning's out and up, and it looks fantastic. Thank you very much, lads.
Yeah, so you've got the Velcro straps on the side, and that just helps lift up the middle section and pull it to the side.
Well, it's time to pack up, see how well it goes together, and take it home and try it out for real on our next camping trip. Well, thanks for watching. If you got something out of this video, hit that like button, subscribe, and catch you on the next video.